It's going to require some heartache as we are dealing with it now, but we're going to get through this thing.
I'm anxious for my dad. I'm really worried for myself and my son.
The numbers are continuing to rise very rapidly.
After the number of deaths doubled in 24 hours to more than 285.
I'm worried about people dying alone.
We're facing an unprecedented time in our history.
I'm motivated by fear.
Fear of what?
Fear of fear. I hate being scared to do something. If there's something that's completely beyond your control, you've got to detach from it and not let yourself get stressed about it.
You have to be willing to play between your brain and your soul. And on some days, you gotta just listen to your soul.
We're not discouraged or devastated by what's going on because we've always come from the struggle. We are acquainted with sorrow. We are acquainted with grief, but we rise. Don't judge your circumstances and the possibilities for your future based upon what you have now and because of what's going on now. No. What you're going through, if you're going through some hard times, it has not come to stay, it has come to pass.
The only real power we have in the world is choosing our response.
Your life is your life, and you have the right to live it the best way you can.
Together we rise.